next generation biometric security company. Basically, our technology lies within the ECG, your electrocardiogram, which we register, and from doing that, it authenticates the user, should it be for a credit card or a mobile phone device, which are two of the prototypes which are demonstrating here today at Citibank.
To be selected, I think you have to show genuine innovation and how you can add value to any specific market or industry. So for financial services, we believe we have a proposition which can actually create real fraud prevention, security aspects, personal identity, but also, most importantly, creating genuine user authentication. So in the world we live in today, there are many aspects of people trying to hack or create a different sort of authentication from someone else. So we're actually creating an opportunity for that just to be you. So you are the genuine user of that product. Next to be secure is really to develop the security architecture and to really make sure that our product stands up to rigorous testing, to reduce our equal error rate, so we know that it's a highly robust solution. So really to work in that area on technology, and then on the commercial side to really build strong partnerships, collaborative partnerships with potential clients and people who we think could be a Be Secure customer in the future. I think the biggest challenges for any startup, whether it's the fintech sector or not, is all about scalability and relevance. So we need to make sure that we are laser focused on ensuring our product stands the test of the rigor of testing, but actually is highly scalable and is cost effective for deployment and also development with our financial services customers. So those two areas, scalability and relevance, I'd say.
So Citi Beacon is a mobile engagement and payments platform. It's targeted at the retailers, so SME retailers mostly, who won't have a mobile engagement and payments platform themselves. And so we give them a ready-made way in which they can interact with their customers when the customer is in store, and also when the customer is out of store, based on an analytics engine that we have. So that's what we do. The link to financial services is really on the payment side and also the data analysis side. So we get to understand a lot about the transactional history of the user. We tie that to particular brands that they've shown an interest in, either on social media or physical dwells within store. And then we promote certain products to them based on those brand interests, and we enable a Pay Now button on the mobile platform. So it extends the reach for the retailer from their physical store to the transact on the couch type model. And I wasn't sure we were going to get picked for the 6, so the quality was incredibly high in that last group of 10. I think maybe we were just very clear on the problem we were trying to solve. We really were focused on that particular target market of the SME retailer and the fact that they're underserved or not served.
I suppose really drawing on both the social media context that our consumers and retailers would have, and really building the brand awareness for Citi Beacon. So really working with the retailers to get their product out there, get it known, and to make it a more useful tool for the end users and for the merchants.
I think if you match financial services, fintech, with entrepreneurs, they're not a natural fit, because financial services by their nature are big organisations. There's a huge amount of procurement, a lot of slow decision making, and of course that doesn't suit startups who desperately need quick wins to start earning revenue and actually test their product. So I think what would be great is if financial services and fintech got an opportunity to work within those big groups as paid for pilots, and they said, okay, a certain budget every year is dedicated to paid for pilots, because when you're paying for a pilot you actually make it work, but also it improves the product. So actually making that happen really, really quickly, I think would be a huge benefit, and obviously to speed up the process of those decisions being made.
We do a branch replacement system for the retail industry. The whole idea behind that is that we reduce the total cost of ownership and we increase revenue through improving customer service. So I think this will be quite a new impact and a change for some of the institutions in their traditional banking.
To address a clear market need and to be able to have a vision which is serviceable. So to be able to have a business plan that you can act on.
So the 3 different things that we're going to do next is that we're going to take all the learnings that we've had from this program with the FinTech, and we're going to try and incorporate those back into our application. Not only that, though, we have a few other product ideas that we need to introduce into the product that we're selling, and we're hopeful that we're going to close out another sale in our pipeline before the end of the summer.
The biggest challenges faced by startups are credibility and referenceability, and being able to partner with a larger organisation, and programs such as the Accenture FinTech are great help to give you that credibility. So finance is also a key hindrance to a lot of startups. So cash flow, make sure you have your cash flow.